It is Saturday and Lennon volunteered to work because she wanted to make some extra money. I decided to take her up on it. So we've come over here to continue laying the flooring. Amanda's here too. She just went to go get us some lunch. So she'll be back in just a minute. And Lennon's very excited to be doing this. She's actually had a little experience doing this before. She's helped me lay flooring in 2 other houses. So it actually is a big help having her today to get some of this done. Let's get started. Show your drink, maybe we can get a brand deal. If the Celsius people want to sponsor us, Lennon loves this drink. We'd love to advertise for you.
Yes, please do. Should I push this little baby thing in?
Yeah. As you're pulling the trigger.
Both of them?
This is really the trigger here.
Yeah. Oh.
And just hold it tight.
And when you pull it in, you mash that button. And then,
Okay.
there you go.
I'm scared.
Safety first. We're really close to getting all the flooring laid. Amanda's got a lot of it covered up so that we won't mess it up walking across it while we're working. All the kitchen, living room is laid. We've laid starting from back here down this whole run all the way to the front door. The master bedroom is all laid, and all we have left now are these 2 front bedrooms. This bedroom we're almost done, and this bedroom we've kind of just started into here. And as we were finishing this bedroom, I broke my tapping block. I've had this for almost 10 years, I would say. And it finally gave way and just split in 2, which I lost the shorter side here when we were doing the lake house. And then this side started breaking. It's got a crack there. And this was the side I was using the most for this. So it finally gave way. So we had to go get another one of these in order to finish. So we got a nice new fresh one. But we also bought this one while we were at Home Depot. I've never used one of these tapping blocks before, so I'm interested to see if it works better. I don't think it'll work for everything. Like if we're tapping the long side, this new block will work really good, but on the short side, if we have to tap it into place, I don't know how well that would work. I do like that this one has a handle on it because you'd be less likely to hit your fingers using this one. And it's got more surface area because it's way longer. I'm wondering if that'll get the pieces in faster than the small block will, because the small block sometimes you have to tap, scoot it, tap, scoot it, tap. And this, you wouldn't have to do that. Today we're gonna try to finish getting all the floors laid and get everything kind of tidied up in these rooms so we can start putting the shoe molding down. And then all that's really left are our countertops, which we got measured the other day. And the electrician should be coming back to finish our lights that we were missing, and the plumber should come back to put all the fixtures in. And then we'll be done. So we're gonna finish the floors. And Amanda came to work in her pajamas, so she doesn't want me to film her.
Stop it.
See, precious.
Here, I have to take those pants off. You stop playing.
Okay, shut up. I gotta film this. Shut up. Shut up.